This is the maintenance program for your RhinoMark. It's extremely simple. When done marking for the day, you can either place this tool back inside of its storage case, just as it is. The marker will eventually dry. You'll likely get 2 to 3 days of continued use without any issues, without taking the inside refill out. But for best practices and to prolong the life of the refill, let's go ahead and remove that now and put the cap back on. So, same as before, 2 fingers, move the lock ring, and disassemble the grip. Simply take the refill out and place the cap back on. This is going to be your best way to store and maintain refills for future use. Now, reassemble the tool and can be placed in storage or left somewhere dry until the next time it's used. That's it. Really easy, simple maintenance on the RhinoMark.